Google Veo 3 just broke the internet.
Not only does it generate ultra-realistic videos, but it can also add voice and lip sync to your AI creations.
No actors, no lights, no expensive cameras, just one line of text, and within 30 seconds, a full-blown cinematic film appears on screen. It sounds like science fiction, but it isn't. It's happening right now. And the tool behind it? An AI so powerful, it might just—
Live from the city of Troy, they've just claimed the winner's trophy!
Let's park it inside!
Built by Runway, Veo 3 is more than just an AI, it's a filmmaker in code. It doesn't guess what videos should look like, it knows. Trained on a massive ocean of cinematic footage, it understands motion, mood, lighting, and lens work like a seasoned director. It doesn't just generate, it creates. A lone warrior walking through a post-apocalyptic city at dusk. In seconds, Veo 3 delivers a fully realized scene. Glowing skies, dust swirling through ruined streets, and a camera that moves like it's operated by— One director needs months to create a movie. Veo 3 needs seconds. And now the world is asking, what happens to film crews? What happens to visual effects artists? To animators? Are we witnessing—
Brave warrior!
What is your great strategy to crush enemy today?
Easy, just with a single prompt.
Give Veo 3 something surreal, like a city floating above the clouds, buildings made of glass and memory. It doesn't hesitate. It invents. Veo doesn't wait for permission. It paints dreams on screen fast.
Why did you stop invading Earth?
It's not worth it. This planet is full of brain rot.
This isn't the end of the story. It's the beginning of a new one, told not by humans alone, but by machines that dream in 8K. Veo 3 is just the start. Soon we might watch AI films